أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على رسوله الكريم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. So inshallah today we are going to start a new lesson that is called Bab If'ilal. Bab If'ilal. And yesterday we finished chapter Ifti'al. So can somebody just summarize what is chapter Iftial and regular pattern and the special cases in that we have learned? Brother,
افعال.
so what is the main pattern in chapter Iftial?
اختلف يختلف اختلاف.
Good. And the special case, first special case?
Special first case वो था اهتدى
Ihtada,
يهتدي اهتدى
Ihtida.
اهتدى.
And second special case?
Second special case था اختص يختص
Yakhtasu,
اختصاص.
Ikhtisas. And third one?
Third one था امتازا
Ikhtar, yeah, Ikhtara.
اختار يختار اختيار.
Ikhtiyar. So these were the special cases for ifti'al. So today, inshallah, it is Bab If'ilal. So we know the name of the chapter is from the masdar. No? So the main pattern you can say the word is ibyadda. Ibyadda means he was white. Ibyadda yabyaddu ibyidad. Ibyidad. Similarly, if I say if'alla yaf'allu if'ilal. Bab if'ilal is from that. So abiyadda means he was white. So brother Adar, can you do the TP for abiyadda?
Ibyadda, he was white.
Yeah.
Ibyadda,
So if I say what is the Arabic of white color? If I say white color,
white.
White color
is abyad.
abiyad. And black color
Aswad.
aswad, hajri aswad. So abiyad is white. Ibiyadda means he was white. Yes.
Ibyadda, ibyaddu, ibyadadta, ibyadadtum, ibyadadtu, ibyadadna. Jabjaddu, jabjadduna, tabjaddu, tabjadduna, abjaddu, nabjaddu. Ibyadid, la tabjadid. Ibyadu, la
Yaddu.
tabjadu.
No, there is a shad on dog. Ibiyaddu.
Jaddu, la tabjaddu. Mubjadid.
Mubiyaddun.
Mubjaddun. Mubjaddun. Mubjaddin.
There is
Ibdadad.
ibiyidad.
Ibjidad.
So yabiyaddu means
Yabjaddu mean he is white or he will be white.
tabiyaddu.
Tabjaddu, you white or you will be white.
Or
Tabjaddu, you white or you will be white.
there could be another meaning of this. What could be the
You
other?
are white.
She, yeah.
Oh.
So she is white, but she will be white. So we know this word here. Second person singular can also be used for feminine. Third person, she. Okay. Nabiyaddu.
Nabjadu, we are white or we will be white.
Good. Can you take this ayah, please?
Yoma tabyaddu wajuhun
Wujuhun.
watas wajuhun wataswaddu wajuh.
Wujuh. Wa has a pesh on it. No? Wujuh.
Wujuh.
Yeah.
Yoma a day
Yeah.
tabyaddu, you or she will white.
Will be white. Yeah.
Wajuh
Wujuh.
mean
Wujuh means
Face is
wajh. Wajh
Yes.
is singular. Wujuh is
Faces.
faces. Yeah.
faces,
Yeah.
and taswaddu.
Okay. Actually, we should do the iswadda before, but you can do it. Taswaddu means
Taswaddu, taswaddu means your faces.
no. Iswadda means he was black. So iswadda, yaswaddu, yaswadduna. Taswaddu is here. No?
Taswaddu mean
She will be black.
she will be black.
You will be black or she will be black. And next is
Wajuh,
wujuh,
faces.
faces. So what meaning should be used here? Taswaddu, you will be black or she will be black. Which meaning should be used with here?
You.
You?
She.
She. Why?
Broken plural.
So wujuhun is broken
Broken plural.
plural. So it is treated as feminine gender. No? The third person singular. Okay, can you now combine?
A day,
A day. So
faces,
wujuhun, what is the status of wujuhun?
broken plural.
No, status.
Marfu.
Wajuhun is marfu.
Marfu. So can it be the outside doer for tabiyaddu?
Yes.
Yeah.
A
A day.
day,
Faces
faces
will be.
white
Yeah.
and faces will black.
Will be black. A day faces will be white
And
and faces will be
black.
black. Okay. Yeah, thank you, Jazakallah khairan. Brother Shahid, can you do the TP for Iswadda?
Can I say something?
Sure. Ibrahim, you want to say something?
Yes. I have a suggestion. I noticed that all the words in like bab افعلال, ibyadda and iswadda, like these fit in the special cases of bab افتعال. اختص يختص اختصاص. So can we fit these words in those special cases?
So in that case, because there is a universal types, say we have to skip this type, type 9. So it might be confusing in that case, we might fit, but because this pattern mostly for this related to colors. So the grammarians have separated it out, so made it type this 9. If you see everywhere, it would be under type 9.
Yeah, and for the benefit of teaching and chapter, it's okay, but it's like hard to remember our chapter like out of nowhere. And like the new learners, like their concept is let's understand Quran in easy ways. And one of the easy ways is to like squeeze as much as stuff as possible and not expand it. So it's like kind of hard to keep this on fingertips. Like there already many chapters in level 3 and special cases with them.
Yeah. So you are right in a sense. Brother Shahbaz, you want to say something?
The question would be why this chapter is being taught as a separate chapter.
Yeah.
So the first reason is افعلال is has maf'ul. This chapter doesn't have maf'ul.
Yeah. This
right? The one that is very similar to this in Bab Iftial, it will be ihtassa, right?
Ikhtas, yeah.
Ihtassa. If you look at ihtassa, what are the root letters? Ha and Sod, right? Ha, Sod, ihtassa, Ha, Sod, and Sod. Ta, the third letter, ta, is not from the root letter. And the first letter, E, is not from the root letters. Are you with me so far, Ibrahim?
Yes.
Yeah. In Ibyadda, the third letter is Ya. And that is part of the root letters. So that is why this chapter is different. You could say why it is not done in Fayal. For the same reason.
No.
Because Noon in Infayal, in Noon, is not part of root letters. Over here, Ba is part of root letters. I'm not sure you're following what I'm saying, but there are very good reasons for treating this type as a separate chapter. Very basic reasons.
Yes, I understand, and thank you. But like we're doing all the things like mixed up together. We're doing the actual cases and normal cases and the special cases. Like all of them are mixed together. Like we should okay, this chapter should be separate, but we should like do the normal cases first, and then we should do the special cases in the end, because the newcomers who come like in the middle, they don't know what's going on. Like it's hard for them to grasp what we're doing. So we should do like normal cases on fingertips, like let everyone repeat, like and make them do remember on fingertips and tips, and then we should start special cases. Because you've seen in like previous classes, most of the people don't even know what we did in the last class. Like they don't remember what we did last week, and like that.
So you're saying there should be like more revisions before we start a new chapter? That's what you're saying?
Yeah, like yes, I'm saying that. And everything should not be mixed up. Like normal cases should be done first, like the whole level should be done first, then the special cases of that like that level should be done.
Oh, you are saying like we just do Allama, just do Anzala, just do like Tawakkala, just do the main patterns or regular patterns and don't do the special cases at that time?
Yes.
And then do them afterwards at like start all over again and then do these special cases afterwards. That's what you're suggesting?
Yes, like we should memorize the whole level first like on fingertips, then we should go on special cases.
To me, this term special cases is weird. To me, when I look at this, I know we have been saying special case, special case. These are like allama and walla. They are both types of bab taf'il, right? So we call them special case. That's the term that has been introduced in this course and have been used. But are they really special cases? That is included in it, right? Anyway, this is something I would let, I'm not sure about this one. I let Brother Abdul Khalik comment on this.
Sorry I took your time, but it's okay for advanced students, like they understand, but I'm just saying for like the newcomers or people who are still learning, it's like kind of hard for them to remember all the stuff we've done.
So we have to,
It all depends
Ibrahim,
on the effort.
these things have to be remembered now if we want to learn them. So if we do it first, as you say, main cases, and then we have to repeat everything. So it means we have to do this course not in one go, but in 2 goes. So it will take maybe same time, but maybe we have to, when we will be doing those special cases, we will again have to do the regular cases, when we will have to do this. So it would be a double of time and effort. It would be maybe boring stuff for those people who are already learning it. So we can talk about it. Maybe we would ask other people what is their opinion, and then we can decide next time we will start the course. Inshallah, then we can decide. We can take the opinion of the others also. We are now at the end of the course of these chapters. So there is no point at this time to change our sequence. So thank you, Jazakallah khairan, for your suggestion, Ibrahim. So
What we could possibly do is maybe have some more revision instead of like just doing one pattern in one day, and maybe at least do the main pattern in 2 days. So everybody gets more chance to practice instead of rushing it through. Sometimes it feels like we are rushing through. Maybe that's what we can do. Spend some more time on the main pattern, like take two turns, and have few words in the first session and few more words in the second session. Spending some more time will give us more time to practice.
My suggestion is that we already have everything is on YouTube, so we can revise like in one day 3-4 times. There's no problem for revision.
yeah, if there is also time thing now that we are actually prolonging it to more than 1.5 years. Usually this course was in 1 year we used to finish, but now it takes about 2 years, a little less than 2 years to finish. So we are already going very slow actually. I don't know. So we can discuss about it, what we can do and what should we do. We will take the opinions of all who are in this course. What is the best way to go through next time? Now, inshallah, we will consider it next time, and we'll see what we can do to improve it.
Yeah.
Inshallah.
Yeah, and thank you, Ibrahim, for your suggestions. Yeah. Don't feel like we are ignoring you. We give value to every comment or every suggestion that is given by anybody in this class.
Yeah, inshallah.
Okay. Thank you for listening to me. I might be wrong in everything, but thank you for listening to me. This was just an observation I made from like other classes I took in other countries, like Abdulaziz and Co. This was all just from let us understand Quran in easy ways. But thank you for listening to me.
No
Okay,
problem.
thank you, Ibrahim. Brother Shahid, can you do the iswadda?
Inshallah, I'll try. Iswadda, he was black.
Yeah.
Iswaddu, iswadatta, iswadattum, iswadattu, iswadadna. Yaswaddu, yaswadduna, taswaddu, taswadduna, aswaddu, naswaddu. Iswadid, la taswadid. Iswaddu, la taswaddu.
Mhm.
Muswaddun, muswaddun, muswaddin. Iswidad.
Iswidad. So yaswaddu means?
Yaswaddu means he is black or he will be black.
Iswaddu.
They were black or they were black.
And there is also another here na, in Amar. Iswaddu could be two meanings.
Iswaddu, yeah, black,
Yeah, be black.
be black.
Yeah. Jazakallah khairan, brother Shahid. So next word is isfarra. Brother Farhan, can you do isfarra?
Isfarra, isfarru, isfararta, isfarartum, isfarartu, isfararna. Yasfarru, yasfarruna, tasfarru, tasfarruna, asfarru, nasfarru. Isfarir, la tasfarir. Isfarru, la tasfarru. Musfarrun, musfarrun, musfarrin. Isfirar.
Isfirar. Nasfarru means?
We are yellow.
Yellow, yeah. Isfarru.
They were yellow.
Or
be yellow, become yellow. You all become yellow.
Yeah. Yasfarru.
Yasfarru. He is yellow.
He is yellow. Yeah, Jazakallah khairan, brother Farhan. Brother Ikram, can you please recite this ayah and do the translation?
Yeah, okay. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ثم يخرج به زرعا مختلفا ألوانه ثم يهيج فتراه مصفرا ثم يجعله خطاما. ثم then يخرج, he exits, به with it,
Comes out. He comes out. Yeah.
he comes out, به with it, زرعا, زرعا.
He does not. Yukhriju means he brings out. No.
Okay.
Yeah.
ثم then يخرج, he brings out, به with it, زرعا. फसल को क्या कहते हैं? I don't know.
Crop.
Crops. مختلفا, different. ألوان.
Alwanuhu.
ألوانه, what does it mean?
Color. No? Different.
ألوانه, color. ثم then يهيج.
Its color. No? Its color or their color.
ألوانه, its color. ثم then colors. Yeah, colors. ثم then يهيج. I don't know what does it mean.
Yahiju means he feathers. You mean वो कहते हैं हम उर्दू में इसके लिए मुरझाना. वहाजा यहीजु ना मुरझाना. He withers.
Okay, he withers.
Or it
فتراه,
withers.
it withers. And what does it mean, wither?
Murjana.
Murjana. अच्छा. فتراه. So tarahu, tara, he, tara, you see, who it. Musfarran, musfarran, yellow.
Musfarran, where fits musfarran?
It should be file.
File, yeah.
Yeah. Summa, then يجعل يجعل he creates who with it,
He makes.
he makes who with it
Who is
خطاما.
not with it.
يجعل he creates who it.
يجعله, he makes it.
Yeah, يجعل. So I'm just translating word by word. يجعل he makes who it.
Yeah.
So يجعله he makes it خطاما. I don't know. What does it mean?
Debris.
What?
Debris.
Debris. Okay. Then it comes. He brings out with it crops, different crops. Alwan was
Colors. No?
Alwanhu. They're different color.
Their color.
Their colors. Then you see them wither.
Then it withers, or they withers.
Then they withers. So you see it yellow.
Saw it yellow. Yeah.
Then
You see it yellow.
Then he makes it debris.
That's debris. Yeah, this is the description of every kind of crops when they grow up, and after some time they becomes withered and then becomes pale yellow, and then it becomes debris. So this is the cycle that keeps on. Okay, thank you, Jazakallah khair. Next word is ikhdara. Ikhdara means he was green. Who can do that? Brother Tariq, are you there?
Assalamu alaikum.
Well,
Jazakumullah khair.
ikhdara.
Ikhtara, he was green.
Yeah.
Ikhdara, ikhdaru, ikhdararta, ikhdarartum, ikhdarartu, ikhdararna. Yaqdaru, yaqdaruna, taqdaru, taqdaruna, akhdaru, nakhdaru. Ikhdarar. La takh. Ikhdarir, la takhdarir. Ikhdaru, la takhdaru. Mukhdarir, mukhdaruna. مخضرون مخضرون مخضرين اخضرار.
Ikhdirar. Ikhdara means?
He was green.
Ikhdararna.
اخضرنا. We were green.
We were green. Mukhdarrun.
The thing was green.
The one or the thing that is?
Green.
Okay. Can you take this ayah, please?
Inshallah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. ألم ترى أن الله أنزل من السماء ماء فتصبح الأرض مخضرا.
Yeah.
Question mark, lam not. Tara, you see?
Yeah.
Anna, indeed. Allah, Allah.
Yeah.
Anna, that. Allah, Allah. Anzala, he revealed. Min, from. As-samai, from sky, skies.
Yeah.
Ma'an, water.
Ma, sky. Ma'an, water. Yeah.
Fatusbiha, faso.
Yeah.
Tusbihur.
Asbaha, yusbihu. Yusbihu. Tusbihu. You become, or she becomes.
She become.
Al-ardu.
Land.
The earth.
Land.
The earth. Earth. Yeah.
Green. Green land.
Green. Yeah.
Green.
Yeah.
Did you not see that Allah revealed
send down
water from sky?
Yeah.
So
yeah, then
the earth
Becomes
green.
Becomes green. Jazakallah khairan. Thank you.
وإياكم. وإياكم.
Brother Asher, can you do ihmarra?
Assalamu alaikum. Ihmarra, he was red. Ihmarra, ihmarru, ihmararta, ihmarartum, ihmarartu, ihmararna, yahmarru, yahmarruna, tahmarru, tahmarruna, ahmarru, nahmarru. Ihmarir, la tahmarir. Ihmarru, la tahmararru.
La tahmarru.
La tahmarru. Muhtarrun.
Muhmarrun.
Oh, sorry. Muhmarrun, muhmarrun, muhmarrin. Ihmirar.
Ihmirar.
उसकी वजह से हमें ये
What do you means?
Sorry.
Yahmarru.
Oh, yahmarru. He is red or he will be red.
And ahmarru.
Ahmarru is I am red or I will be red.
Muhmarran.
The one who is red.
Yeah, the one who is red. Halal ahmar is the link word. You can remember this. Ahmar is red. Okay, can you also tell us the meanings of the words we learned today?
Yeah. Is Wadda, he was black.
Yeah.
And is Farra, he was yellow.
Yeah.
Zarra, he was green. Marra, he was red.
He was red. And Abiyadda?
He was white.
Great. Thank you very much. Okay, that's it for today's lesson. Any questions? Okay, if not, then we can move on to our next part, inshallah.